Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Digital Dynamo. So please subscribe our channel and hit bell icon for more videos and more updates. So today in this video I will show you how you can create a cool profile picture for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your YouTube logo. You can use everywhere like this. These are not cool profiles with solid color background with solid color. So if you want to create this type of profiles for your other things like these, and these are so cool profiles for using on Facebook, Instagram. You know, all celebrities use this type of profiles. So here you can search profile pic generator. Fine, pic create. Sorry, I will told you generator, but it is a creator. So this one is the website most popular, which is pfpmaker.com. So and the second is canva.com, because I will tell you about these things, the perfect thing. Totally all graphic designing works are available on Canva, which is free of cost and in template modes. If you search here profile pic, here just upload your own photo. I think I don't have any my photo. Let's download from Google. So here I will download this one because this is a very simple profile picture. So save in the download options and upload image here. Open this one and upload it. So here you can check the cool profile picture like this, and you can use from here. Just edit. You can customize. I want to change this one and I will customize this template. Here you can check generating profile pics from my picture, and here we can remove this one, delete image, and upload on image. Just upload, and I want to upload. This is the option as a picture, and I want to upload this one. Here another page, because first of all we remove the background of our image, and here you can check these images are all created. So here you can check these profiles are being created. Just if you want to customize more, just customize, and you can select your own way. Just this type of. So now you can download it. You can add outline on it. So outline yellow and simply short. So now you can check, you can edit all things, transform, zoom in, out, everything what you want. So this is zoom in, zoom out. So you can rotate, and there is 1,000 things, and you can easily download. Now you can upload your own image here like this. I want to upload this one. I think here is an internet issue. So first of all, edit profile picture, edit picture, and remove background. Sorry for that, because the internet is working very slowly. That's why I am going to be late. So first of all, remove the background, because we don't want any background in profile pictures. We just use solid colors for best improvements. So here we have this one, it photo again, and remove background. So here you can check, you can easily add your own things. Sorry, these are totally frame is picked by me. Control Y. So here you can check our file images created. Just add an outline on it. Go to shadows, outline, and now you can use your own custom colors like yellow. So thank you and Allah Hafiz. I hope you will understand. Bye bye, take care. We will meet in the next video.